Hi, hello kids, welcome to Blue 4. You are watching Wow Facts. I am Pooja. Today I'll be sharing some insights and some secret about things you might not know. Why do aeroplane wings wobble? Why do flower crops smell so bad? To know all this interesting fact, please do watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kids, have you seen aeroplane flying? Have any idea why those wings wobble? Then come, let's find the answer in this video.
When an aircraft is flying at a constant speed and a constant altitude, then the same amount of force will be pushing it up and well as down, and the net force will be zero. Now, if the plane enters an area of the highest air density, say a large cloud, then this would lead to an increase in the force pushing it up. As a result, the plane is pushed upwards and wings temporarily bend up in the process. This sudden change in lift force is what causes the plane wings to wobble.
Kids, have you smelled flower crops? It smells very bad. Have any idea why they smell so bad? Then come, let's find the answer in this video.
Carnivorous insects like flesh flies and dung beetles, which typically eat dead flesh, are its primary pollinators. Now, to attract these insects, the corpse flower does three things. Firstly, it develops a dark burgundy color similar to that of a corpse. Secondly, it emits an odor similar to that of a decaying corpse. It warms itself up to a temperature of 98 degrees. The insects think that the flower is food and enter it. Once they realize that there is no food, they leave, but they fly off with pollen on their legs. Thus, a flower corpse does this for the survival of its species.
I hope you all got right answers and enjoyed today's Wow Fact video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep watching Blue 4.